You want it?
I'm crying on you.
Before he wouldn't get anywhere near those.
He wouldn't even just the other day.
Oh, them aren't the ones that bite, are they?
No.
No, lightning bugs don't have teeth or stingers, do they, Thias?
Nope.
It's poisonous light.
Give it to your sister. Huh?
It's in your hair.
It bit me. It bit me.
It did not bite you.
It did.
No, it didn't. It wasn't even in your hair, really. I was teasing you. Oh, my God.
It was nipping me.
It was what?
It was nipping me.
It was
Sniffing you?
Yeah.
You just want to go inside? Okay.